we'll lay it down. I'll take all the dust bunnies off. Don't record this one. I'm going to come down here and get this so I can see on the bottom. Go ahead and sit down. So there's only 1/4 inch spare. Couldn't be on the side.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah. Let's not drop it. Yeah, let's zip it back up.
I'm trying to see what I can grab because of my hand. Okay, let's try this again.
You ready?
Nope.
Okay, there's stuff on the side here. Let's see if we can squeeze it through. Put the cord down behind it. Go that way too. Yeah, you're twisting it, so. Okay. Ready? Nope. Go back this way. Go. Where we catch on? The cardboard. Okay, start tipping your end up.
Up.
Yeah.
Keep going up? Or?
Yeah, keep going up. What's the catch on? Hold on. Let me see what's catching on here. Okay. Little plastic clip. Come back my way just a little bit. Clip is out of the way. Okay. We're now caught to that thing. Let's see if we can
lift it up.
Go down.
Oh. Go down?
Go down.
That's as far as down. It's stuck on something.
It's stuck on that down there.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it just hanging there?
Yeah.
Move the toad out of the way completely.
It's already out of the way
Yeah,
completely.
it's hanging on the toe. It's just hanging now.
Can we lift it straight up and try to spin it that way?
Actually, let's see if we can twist it just so slightly this way.
So it's might, right?
Just.
No.
Okay. Lift up the front end. I see what it's catching on. Okay. Pause. Okay.
I think you need to put the cut back in.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
She's not ready for it. You ready?
Okay.
Where's the other screw? Did you take the big black one too in your pocket?
No, the big black one is... I don't know. No, the big black one is on the step.
I know. Okay, that's where yours went?
I can't find that other screw. Oh, it's in here somewhere. I found the washer. I found the screw.
Ready to drive, Charlie?
There you go.
I'm gonna be right here, my dad.
You right there?
Huh? And Mom, to drive on guilty.
No, I am.
No.
Yeah.
Huh?
I gotta get those driving hours in.
How many driving hours do you need?
For here, it'd be 50. And 10 of them need to be at night. But if I want to, when we move to Alaska, if I want to do an afterlife at 16, I need to have 100 hours. I don't know how many.
Who keeps track of that? Your mom and dad? Or?
I do. Whenever I go out, I put on time. I just haven't calculated it up yet.
You don't have to you don't have to follow everything I'm doing, Jay.
You know, they're supposed to play with all this stuff. Dad? Thank you. Can I have?
Oh, go off.
Thank you.
I had a where's my wrench?
You're gonna sit right there? Where's the inlet gonna be?
Oh, do you still have the wrench, Michael?
It's right there.